So here's today's ingredients. We have 2 green onions, and then I bought a big pack of tofu, and I used 3/4 of that cut into cubes. And then these are 2 red peppers, but actually as I was cutting them, even just it being raw, the air was really spicy and I was coughing and sneezing, and so I probably won't use all of that. That's 2 cloves of garlic. Also, I don't think I'll use all of it, but just in case. I don't know how much that is. Maybe a teaspoon or something of chicken broth. 2 tablespoons of tobanjan. 2 tablespoons of red miso. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And I don't know, about a tablespoon of ginger. And then I think it's like 300 grams or something of ground chicken. Usually I do it with pork, but the chicken was cheaper. Anyway, okay, so here we go. Oh, and the rice is cooking. What I'll first do is turn on my stove, because it's actually a gas stove, which is nice. So I'll get that going. And I'm doing this kind of off the top of my head. I made it following a recipe, I think 3 years back or something, but I don't remember it and I couldn't find the same one. So, you know, that's life, I guess. I'll let that warm up. And I forgot to say, I'm going to be using sesame oil today. Hopefully that's showing. I got this, I think, in Germany somewhere at an Asian shop. I'm going to start with some sesame oil. I think about a tablespoon, or maybe 2. I don't know, something like that. And then I'm going to put, not all of the garlic, but maybe half of it or something. And by doing this, the sesame oil is going to get a little bit of that flavor of garlic, which is actually really nice. And then the ginger, same thing, it's going to add a little bit of flavor to the oil, but just about half of that too. And then after that, the red peppers. I'm definitely not going to use all of that because that's going to be insane, I think. So I'm worried. So I'm going to cough up. So I did about 1, I think. So I'm leaving 1 in there. And if it's not spicy enough, I can always add more. It already hurts. Maybe I'll add a little bit of vegetable oil too, because it's not really enough. Then I'm gonna put the meat in. I do a little bit of salt and pepper to add flavor to the meat. And then, ow. Spicy there, it's really spicy. When the meat is about cooked, I'll put about half of it in, and then later I'll put the other half in so the green stays a little bit more fresh. So leave about that much. Let that cook. And then what you want to do is take this. Here it comes. Okay. So you want to take the tobanjan. It's like a spicy paste. And then the miso. And then I'm just going to add the soy sauce into it so that it's a nice sauce. With my spoon. And this actually might be too much. So don't put all of it in at once. Maybe just put it in as you're going, and then you can always adjust it. Let's say that's 1 tablespoon. 1.5 tablespoons or something like that. The rice is done. You know, some people are able to do it like this and do it like this, but I really can't. I can only flip with my right hand and mix with my right hand. I'll put the chicken broth in. A little bit of water. So it looks like this right now. The color actually looks nice. So hopefully it's okay. As that's cooking, lower the heat a little bit. So add the tofu in last as like one of your main ingredients. You're just gonna mix that in together. I forgot to get the potato starch. Right. Add a little bit to it. So let that cook a little bit. I'm gonna add the cornstarch so that there's a little bit of toromi. I don't know what that is in English. So that it's not so liquidy. Not the whole thing. Be like that. My fingers hurt. I think it's because of the hot pepper. I'll show you what it looks like now. You can see that it's not so liquidy anymore. It's coming together a little bit nicely with the potato starch. I really like ginger, so I'm going to add the rest of this. And when you taste just the liquid of this, don't be too afraid if it's a little bit too salty compared to what you usually like your food to taste like. Because with the tofu, the saltiness actually melds out quite nicely. So this was way too much. Oopsie. So it looks like maybe 1 tablespoon of miso, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce is more than enough. What I like to actually do is take this garlic. I probably won't use all of it because then I think I'll be stinky tomorrow. But I'm going to add it at the very end right now so that it has that nice garlic flavor. And the spices are coming too. Okay, and then I'm going to add like half of this in here so that some of the onions are fresh. But I'm just going to do it with my hand because I'm the only one eating it. And then I'm going to leave a little bit for the very end, like the very end. I think the color is a little light because I'm using chicken and not pork or beef. And then at the very end, I keep saying very end, but I think this is really the last one. So at the very end, I'm just going to do like 1 circle of sesame oil. Okay, I like 1.5. Okay, できたよ。では、実食。Now I'm gonna try the food. Yay! Ooh. Here is the end product. I cooked some rice too, so I'll try it in the other room. So here I am, all by my lonesome. Just kidding. Bon appetit. It's not nearly as spicy as I thought it would be. Maybe normally it would be enough, but today I want a little bit more. But I'm afraid to use the raw ones because they're so painful. Especially my nose and my fingers.
I hope you also make this recipe.
Maybe it's not the correct way to make it, or it might not be the best way to make it, but I think it tastes really nice, so you do what you want. Thanks for watching. I know I'm still not very good at like editing and doing all of that, but I'm doing it slowly while doing music and just kind of as a side thing right now. I'm trying to record my memories and all that, so I hope you like some of them. If you like the cooking stuff, if you tried to cook this and you thought, oh wow, that actually tasted pretty nice, and you want more, then I probably will, because now I figured out the light in the kitchen, which is the reason that was stopping me in the first place.
ということで、このレシピをぜひぜひぜひぜひ作ってみてください。
Bye!